All right, you guessed it. Another year at the Origin Immersion Camp here at beautiful Camp Laurel in Maine. And yeah, I'll show you around a little bit. All right, so when you enter the facility up here, there's gonna be mat space, a huge open span tent here, and then open span tent here. So blue and purple belts. Then over there, that's where the black and brown belts are. Down the hill is white belts. And so you can see this campus is massive. Hundreds of people coming to camp. We eat over here. The lake is down the hill there. It truly is like a big kid's summer camp. So if you can just look at the size of this campus, it is massive, right? And so there's the lake right there. And if you look down, there it is.
So Kyle.
So paddle boarding, swimming, all that fun stuff in between sessions. That is a Maine spring-fed lake. Doesn't get any better than that. And evenings, this is where we all end up having a beer, a whiskey, a cigar, telling stories. And if you look at the improvements this year, the fire pit is like twice as big. So this is a good time. Another awesome addition this year is this building now has a deck out front, so folks can get a view of the lake, do some sunning, chill out. Very cool addition. All right, so there's a couple new upgrades, then I'm gonna show you the last thing here. First of all, huge coffee upgrade for all your returning campers. Freshly roasted, freshly ground every morning here in the facility. They invested in the equipment to do that, which is ridiculous. Also, there's 2 ice machines, outdoor ice machines on campus, which is great. And last thing. All right, the most important room. This is a state-of-the-art kitchen. All the food is prepared here 4 times a day. I mean 4 times, I mean there's 4 meals. There's a late night meal included for the training, which, you know, everyone pretty much crushes. But yeah, the cafeteria. And you'll get to see all this real time. The week of camp, which starts on the 23rd. Of course, on Tuesday, the 25th of August, is the most epic time because we'll cook up hundreds and hundreds of Maine lobster that we pluck fresh from the Atlantic that morning. And also my friend John Hennessy from Winter Point Oyster Company, he'll get oysters fresh from the coast of Maine at his oyster farm, bring them up and shuck fresh oysters. It's a phenomenal experience.